What's up guys, and today we're gonna generate a Claymation style ad. Check this one out.
Men over 35, your testosterone isn't dropping because of age. It's cortisol. You wake up tired. The gym feels pointless.
And yeah, I'd say let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. So the very first thing you're gonna do is head to polarisugc.com and go into the resources tab. So actually press on this, and then you need to go ahead and basically like go to the cartoon ads that print SOP. Once you're actually inside, it's just a game of copy pasting prompts into Claude. So you're gonna do this very first prompt here. You're gonna bring this into Claude and just paste it in, that's it. Then what you also will need is a reference image just like this one for your style. And since we're doing Claymation, I'm gonna paste it into Claude 2. Now we're gonna describe the product and promise and the actual character. So we're just gonna keep this character and we're gonna say we wanna make this a middle-aged man with black hair. This ad will be about ashwagandha gummies that will help with testosterone. So that's it. That's already going to be the whole ad, and we're just going to generate it right here. So now the first image is actually just going to load in, and while it does that, I'm just going to show you how you can connect the MCP. So basically, to get the full functionality of generating everything inside of Claude, you need to go down here to connect with Claude. You need to copy this URL, bring it in here, press on the plus, go to connectors. You need to add a connector. You're going to add this custom connector and then name it Polaris. And that is already it. And if you can't remember this, on this page down here, there's also this little like video where you can look at it. Okay, as you can see now, the reference image is generated and we basically wanted an image just like this. So I'm just going to go back and get back into the SOP file. So I'm just going to generate the script with this prompt now, and I'm just going to copy and paste everything over once again, and then it will generate. Okay, so as you can see, now our script actually landed. So we're just gonna see, okay, we're just gonna upload a product image and then I'm gonna be back. So basically now you can see I just attached like a product image, so it actually knows the brand name and everything. And then I just told it we have 2000 orders. So basically the whole point of that is so it can actually work that into the script and say like 2000 satisfied customers, whatever. But obviously if you were to use it, just plug in your real numbers. Now the actual next step is just gonna be to generate the scene images. So we're gonna just copy paste this scene image prompt over here and copy, paste. That's fucking it. It will now generate all the scenes directly inside of Claude once again. So there's literally zero work attached to this. It's too easy. And the beautiful thing about this is that actually, because we're using the Polaris connector, Claude gets so much smarter for the script writing, for ideating the scenes and everything, because they have built like, I think, 1600 skills or something into this. So basically, instead of Claude just being this basic generic AI, Claude has a lot of research docs on AI, on 8-9-figure brands, whatever. They have put all the research into this, all the competitor research, and basically, yeah, made Claude super cracked for just this exact type of stuff. So now you can see actually the images generate within the chat. You can see the first one landed. It's basically the reference for the style, but then everything else is now parallel generating. And this is also a crazy thing about this workflow, because if you think about it like this, the old way was actually just to generate everything one by one after the other. And it took so fucking long. You needed to do every single prompt with Claude, do one after the other, and now it's just easy as this. And while everything is actually loading in, I'm just gonna go back into the SOP file. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna animate the clips. So I'm gonna copy paste this prompt back into Claude. So as you can see now, those images landed too. I'm pretty sure, yeah, we have almost everything. So I'm just gonna hit enter once it lands, and then I will just get back to you once we have the ready like video clips. So as you can see, all of the clips are ready now, and you get a download link to download them also. I'm just gonna do that and basically open this link now. And also what we now need to do is generate the voiceover. So I am going to paste this in. And because I'm not really going to read over the voiceover prompt, I'm just going to say, when you have it, instantly generate. And then it will also generate directly within the chat. And until then, it's basically just that the clips will go ahead and download. So that's going to happen here on the side while the voiceover is loading in. So now the voiceover has landed too, and the very last thing we will actually need is the background music. So we're gonna paste this into Claude once again too. And now I'm gonna see you guys when I actually cut everything together into CapCut. Okay, so basically the whole ad is finished now, and it was really, really simple because the clips are named in order. So you actually just have to drag and drop them into the timeline. Then you're gonna align them a little bit with the voiceover, and that's it. That's how you get this finished result.
Stress keeps cortisol high. High cortisol shuts testosterone down. KSM 66 ashwagandha lowers cortisol. Testosterone climbs back up.
Yeah, and that's basically the best and really only good way to make winning ads in 2026. Because if you don't have everything automated like this and everything set up with the research docs, etc., then you're just losing to the competition. But another great thing is that they always have discounts running. So you can actually check below if they have a discount running right now. It's in 90% of the time, they have like a 50% off discount code or something. So you can just check that out. And if it's there, you can just grab it right now. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's the whole tutorial, and it's really simple as that. And if you guys want to contact me, you can DM me below. And also, I have an ecom community where you can join too.